The MacBook Neo 2 is already getting attention, but the latest leaks suggest Apple could be taking the easiest path possible. Instead of delivering the major upgrade many people expected, the company may simply swap a few internal parts, raise the price, and call it a new generation. Here's why the MacBook Neo 2 could end up disappointing a lot of buyers. The first MacBook Neo became popular because it offered solid value at a low price. Starting at $599 or $499 with the education discount, it attracted students and budget users looking for an affordable MacBook. But now it looks like Apple may be moving away from the formula that made the original so popular. The biggest complaint starts with the design. According to the latest leaks, Apple has no plans to change the look of the MacBook Neo 2. The same body, the same display, the same ports, and the same overall appearance are all expected to return. There are still no signs of an OLED display, no promotion refresh rate, no MagSafe charging, no haptic trackpad, and no larger screen. Buyers hoping for a fresh new MacBook could end up paying more for something that looks almost identical to the old one. Apple is expected to focus almost entirely on internal upgrades. The A18 Pro chip will reportedly be replaced by the newer A19 Pro, but even that may not be the full version of the processor. Reports suggest Apple could once again use a cut-down variant instead of the flagship chip. While performance should improve, many users may never notice a big difference during everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, or office work. Memory is also expected to increase from 8 GB to 12 GB. And while that sounds like good news, many people will argue this should have happened from the very beginning. With modern software becoming more demanding every year, 8 GB already feels outdated. The pricing rumors are even more concerning. Reports claim Apple could remove the cheaper base model altogether and only sell the higher storage version. If that happens, the starting price may jump from $599 to around $699. Students could still receive a discount, but regular buyers would be paying significantly more for a laptop that barely changes on the outside. That higher price could erase the biggest advantage the original MacBook Neo had over the rest of Apple's lineup. The MacBook Neo 2 is currently expected to launch around March or April 2027. Unless Apple surprises everyone with features that haven't leaked yet, this update looks more like a routine refresh than an exciting new generation. A slightly faster chip, a little more memory, and AI support may not be enough to justify a higher price, when so many important upgrades are still missing. That's everything we know so far about the MacBook Neo 2. Would you pay more for these small improvements, or would you stick with the current model? Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.